Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to insert a picture into a template in Canva so we can customize our design with our own images. This is really useful for personalizing templates for presentations, social media posts, or marketing materials. On our Canva dashboard, here is our template. As we can see, we have the template open and ready to edit. To insert a picture, all we need to do is click on Uploads and choose the picture we want to add. We have already uploaded a picture here that we can use. If we want to upload a new picture, we simply click on Upload Files, go to our files, and find the picture we want to use. Here are the pictures we have. Let's wait for them to upload. Once the upload is done, we just need to click on the picture and place it wherever we want on the template. We can also adjust the transparency if needed. And that's it. That's how we insert a picture into a template in Canva. We can now easily customize any template and make it our own.